Oh my god! A big one will be wasted on that. Yeah. But I'll make you a normal size one. Shit me!
From Japan. I think this is a drone. Quadcopter equipped with ultra noise control, possibly asymmetrical type with a counterweight on the side opposed to the blade.
There are nearly 3 million lost pensions.
What on earth is going on there? Oh! Got that on camera. I think it's cut up an Audi. Cut off an Audi. I think cutting up an Audi. I tell you what, I'll get that on. Are you actually? Date essentially.
That's the wrong side of the road.
Oh, just fucking. Twat.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto A6514, Valley Road.
Just get in his way. Just get in his way. Yeah. Hello.
Exiting average speed check zone.
Whoa! Sorry, someone nearly just crashed there. Oh! That bird nearly got me.
I couldn't go over. You can beef all you like.
Maybe look before you pull up. Stop pulling out on me, you wankers!
And then everybody else is pulled out in front of me.
Surprises me anymore.
No.
And yeah.
Oh, for sure. It's all right,
Don't bother.
she wasn't looking.
Don't look her out when you try to wander out into the road. Well, that's not 40 miles an hour, is it?
No, it's
Well, look, it's that guy. He got fired, didn't he?
not. Which guy?
The guy that was speeding like crazy.
Oh.
Yeah, just got her on red, mate. The catching.
Red light, you twat.
Saying red light, you colourblind knob.
Straight onto St Albans Way, A601.
One
nonsense
already.
Oh yeah, well, yeah, there we go. Cut across me, why don't you, twat?
EF70ZVG.
I'll download that quickly.
Yeah.
Now
Now he's trying to push in up here.
He's old enough to understand, he's old enough to not hold it in, or not try and hide it, but just go. You know? That's what she's got.
And here we have the Americana Dodge Challenger, claiming to have 717 horsepower. And then we got the Chevrolet Nova. Pontiac Trans Am for those interested.
down there.